let's go ahead and get started. And so our updates for the week. First of all, last Thursday, we posted a video showing off MLR Fabricating's Easy Lift race car lift. So if you didn't see that, it's right there on our Facebook page, or it's on our YouTube channel. I will post links to the product as well as to the videos over on YouTube as far as that goes. Next up, this morning we had a video talking about Dominator's new modified valance, and that one is legal for IMCA. In fact, they got it approved at PRI 2017, and so we have a little video with Bentley from Dominator talking about that valance. And that, I don't know if I said prices, but the Easy Lift, starts at $17.69, and I believe it's add $99 if you want the pump box as well. And then for the Dominator Mod Valance, it runs $59, and it comes in like 10 different colors. So whatever kind of modified or whatever your color scheme is, you should be able to find a valance that is going to go with that. So now let's talk about the new products I've added to the store. In fact, it's not that I'm a procrastinator. It's just I tend to know, like, oh wow, my video, I'm going to be doing Facebook Live in today, so I better add these products to the store. So I've got a couple of them. One of them is we have added our MSD distributor. So this is the 85501 locked out distributor, and so it's such a popular product that we decided to go ahead and add it to the store. It is now a stocking item on our shelf. So if you need an MSD distributor, we've got this one right here. It's the Pro Billet Distributor, the 85501, and it runs $308.95. I also have a really fun one to show you too. I don't know how this is going to look on the camera because I had one heck of a time trying to photograph this. This is Dominator's Chrome. This is plastic. This is a plastic wheel cover with a chrome finish. You can see how chrome, because look at that. You are seeing my office. It is just like a mirror. Look at that. Is that a trip? What do you guys think of this? What do you think of this wheel cover? I think it's amazing. I can't get over the fact that it's plastic, and it is absolutely a mirror finish on here. And anyway, these chrome finished wheel covers, oops, this happens, phone calls while we're having a live video, but these run $49, and you can choose to have them with bolts, or this one of course has Zeus fasteners. So I think it's a pretty neat product. So obviously shiny, mirror-like finish. And now you get to also see the other side of my office. So there's my screens, fun stuff. Anyway, moving on. So, let's talk about our giveaway. So for our live giveaway today, I have a shirt right here from our friends at LSM Racing Products. If you haven't used their tools for your valve springs, they're seriously amazing. I mean, we've got the valve spring changer, which actually happens to be our most watched video on YouTube. I'll link that in the description as well on how to change valve springs. We also have their valve lash adjusting tool. We have their valve spring pressure tester, and we absolutely love all of their products. But this is an LSM Racing product shirt. It's an extra large, so like it is what it is. It is what I have, and this is going to go out to, in this live video. When we get to the end, then I'll run my random number generator. So yeah, all you have to do is say hi. I've got lots of comments here, and a good deal. So we'll get those. And then I also want to tell you about our other giveaway. So I will do a drawing, and let's see, it's Tuesday. So let's post Friday at 2 o'clock. I will do a drawing to decide who wins this other shirt, but this is one of our Crate Insider t-shirts. So it has our Crate Insider logo on the front, and on the back we've got the one source for crate racing tech and more. So our Crate Insider t-shirt, and you'll be able to choose whatever size you want. But in the comments, leave me a comment to tell me what you would like to see from this Facebook Live show that we do every week. I mean, currently we do updates, new products, and Top 5 Tuesday, but whatever else you would like us to add, I mean, I'd love to hear some feedback, or if you've even got a question you'd like me to answer next week, kind of whatever grab bag here. So I'll maybe do a Q&A section for the questions that we received the previous week. I don't know. It's really up to you guys. I'm here to help. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into Top 5 Tuesday. So in our number 5 spot this week, if you guys watched any of my videos previously, you know that if you call me about spark plug wires, these are my favorite spark plug wires. This is the Fast Firewire I absolutely love the coating that's on the outside of these. It feels like snakeskin. They're really amazing. Amazing spark plug wires. And I do need to do a video on this. I think I've shot it and I just need to edit it. But these are really, really good for so many reasons. They cut down on the electronic noise. They're heat safe up to a ridiculous, it should say it on the back. Anyway, they're heat safe to a ridiculous number. And they also have only 25 ohms of resistance because, you know, any time you're trying to move electricity, you're going to have resistance, but this is only 25 ohms per foot. So really, really low resistance on that. So that is the fast fire wire in our number 5 spot this week. And these spark plug wires run $159.99. Next up, in the number 4 spot this week, we have our sets of 602 matched valve springs. Now, a question that's come up, and I always try to answer this, is these are genuine GM valve springs. Like you can see that they've even got the GM label. I mean, and no, I did not just make up some labels. These are straight up GM valve springs. It's just that we go through and use our valve spring pressure testing tool, the bench tester, to find out the ratings of all of these. And if they're bad, they go away. And then the ones that are left, then we put them into match sets so that you've got one set for intake and the other set for exhaust. So those are our 602 matched valve springs, and those run $99.75 a set. So next up in the number 3 spot, we're going to go from 4 to 3 now, is this has always been a very popular product, but our Daytona 1 3060 gear oil. Oh, I don't even know what I can say about this. It is absolutely amazing. We do have a video where I talked with Buck Parker from Daytona 1 and talking about this particular gear oil. It's fantastic in quick change rear ends, really holds up, and it's a great gear oil. And even with the low weight, that low weight, I mean, we carry it in a 75/90 as well, but that 30/60 is an excellent weight. You don't need to be heavier than that because we're trying to get rid of parasitic drag. And this is one of those products that can really help free up your car. All right, so that moves on to number 2. In the number 2 spot this week is our Klotz Oil. This is our most popular oil at this time, and this comes in our you can buy it by the quart at $13.37. We have an oil change kit where it's 7 quarts of oil along with a Wix oil filter, and that runs $104.58. And then we have it by the case. They come in cases of 10 for $133.65. So this is our Klotz. It's fully synthetic. It's a 1030, and it works absolutely fabulously in crates. There's an article on our website showing the testing and such, so you can look that up. It's called Oil Testing Data from Hendren Racing Engines, if I can say that really fast 3 times. But the Klotz Oil in the number 2 spot. In the top spot this week, you guys have overwhelmed us with the popularity of these, but this is our CrateInsider air filter base. And when we sell this, we sell it with the seal so that you can put it right on top of your carburetor. We just ran out. We're expecting more stock in today. So if you've ordered this in the last like yesterday or today, your shipment might be delayed by a day, but we are expecting more of these in today. But this is an incredibly popular product. I've heard nothing but great feedback, and we know that from dyno testing, we know this is an awesome air filter base. And this air filter base runs $99.50, and it is aluminum. So that is our top 5 Tuesday for Tuesday, February 27th, 2018. And now let's go ahead and move on to our giveaway. Let me get another screen up here real quick and find my random number generator deal, and then we'll count up some comments. So it's so used to me doing this that it apparently was bringing it up, and then it didn't. So I speak too soon sometimes. Random number generator. There we go. And we've got, let me take a look. And I know we had some technical difficulties last week, so I'm really glad to see that we do not have technical difficulties this week. I was trying to use an iPhone because I'm not always happy with the webcam and how the picture turns out. So I was trying to up the picture quality, but then it can't stay connected. I have no idea. So let's see, we've got 13 comments, and so number 11, and we've got David Mitchell. So David Mitchell, if you would, please send me a private message with your address, and I will be sending you the LSM Racing Products t-shirt. I thank you all for participating. I will be looking over all of the comments, and I will be contacting the winner on Friday at 2 o'clock with whoever wins our contest. So thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next week, Tuesday at 2 o'clock for Top 5 Tuesday.